All right, quotient means to divide. So to divide powers of the same base, what you're doing is you keep the base. Anybody know what you do to the exponents? Got a guess? Brian? Subtract the exponents. Keep the base, subtract the exponents. All right, use the quotient of powers property. So, whenever you have a fraction is dividing. Did you all know that? Hopefully. So here I'm dividing 9 to the 12th by 9 to the 5th. I have the same base, so I do 9 to the 12 minus 5. And actually my answer then would be 9 to the 7th. Simplified would be 9 to the 7th. Now, I want you all to understand why. Do you understand why that is? Not just because I told you to subtract. How many 9s are in the numerator?
12.
So 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, 12 times. And then 7 9s in the denominator. If you canceled them all out, you would have 5 left over on top, correct? That's where that comes, oh, excuse me, 5 in the bottom, you'd have 7 left over on top. So, let's do this one. Always, always, always keep that base number. If it's negative, you need to keep it in parentheses. So, negative 2 to the 4 minus 3, which is what? 1. Can you also write that as just negative 2? Absolutely. So either way is acceptable. Uh-oh, now we got more than one power we have to think about. The numerator, we got to do some property from yesterday. So 6 to the 3rd times 6 to the 4th is actually 6 to the how many? 6 to the 7th divided by 6 squared. Same base, subtract the exponents, and it's 6 to the 5th. Here, we have a fraction times a fraction. But wait, it's not a fraction. Can I make it a fraction? Yes, let's put it over 1. And then I'm going to rewrite it just so it's a little bit clearer. Oh, it's a fraction times a fraction. What do? You go straight across, correct? 1 times r to the 8th is r to the 8th. r to the 5th times 1 is r to the 5th. And then I have the same base, so what do I do to the exponents? Subtract them. That simplifies to r to the 3rd. Cool? No problem so far. The power of a quotient. Tony, that really doesn't work very well at all. Use that one over there. The power of a quotient property. To find the power of a quotient,